In South Florida, extreme heat and heavy rain can take a toll on your asphalt. That's why asphalt paving and seal coating are essential for long-lasting roads and parking lots. What is asphalt paving? Asphalt is durable, cost-effective, and ideal for private roads and commercial lots. It's the preferred choice in Florida because it withstands high temperatures and frequent storms. Why seal coating matters over time. Asphalt can develop cracks and potholes. Seal coating adds a protective layer, preventing water damage, fading, and deterioration. South Florida considerations. In Indian River, Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties, the climate can speed up asphalt wear. Regular maintenance helps extend its life and saves you money on repairs. Simple maintenance tips. Keep your asphalt clean, seal coat every few years, and fix minor cracks early to avoid major damage. Need expert paving? Contact Sunshine Services. Unlimited ink today. Like, subscribe, and stay informed about proper asphalt maintenance.